here to learn about chapter 13, topic, subject and verb agreement, class 4. It is a second part of the video, second part of chapter 13. It is a second part. So let's start rest. As you know that we see the first, second and third rule in the previous video, and rest of the CE are the second video. So here is the fourth rule. What said the fourth rule? The verb is singular. The verb is singular if the two subjects separated by and refer to the same person or thing. Same person or thing. As example, red beans. Red beans and rice is my mom's favorite dish. So students, look at here. Here is a verb, singular verb. Here is a singular verb, and here is a two subject referring one things. Here is a two subject and referring जो है referring same thing. So here we added singular verb. These two subjects referring same thing. So we are added here singular verb. So red beans and rice are referring same things, is my mom's favorite dish. So here is a we added verb singular. And now it is a fifth rule. What is say the fifth rule? If one word of the if one of the words each, here is each, every or no. Here is the word each, every or no. Comes before the subject. Before the subjects. The verb is singular. The verb is singular. So student, here you notice this fifth rule. If one of the words each, every or no comes before the subject, the verb is singular. So here is example. Here is comes no. Here is comes no before the subject. No comes before the subject. Smoking or drinking. Here is the verb singular. allowed. Getting this? Here is a smoking, drinking subject and comes before a no. So here is a we uses singular verb. So no smoking or drinking is allowed. Getting this? Every. Here is every. Here is every. Every man. Here is a man subject and its before comes every. So here is a every man and woman. Here is a two subject connected with and here is the word every comes before these two subjects. So its verb is also singular. Is required to check. Getting this? So student, here is a sixth rule. If the subjects are both singular, and are connected by the words or, nor, neither, nor, either, or, and, not only but also, the verb is singular. If the two subjects are connected of these words, so we use with it singular verb, like that. Jessica or, here is a word or connected with the two singular words, Jessica or Christians. So we definitely added singular verb is, to blame for the accident. Getting this? So here is student, seventh rule. If the subjects are both plural, means subject are both plural and are connected by the words, these words connected, or, nor, either, or, and not only but also, the verb is plural. So try to understand this. If the two words plural form, if the two subjects are in the plural form, so their verbs are also plural. Getting this? Their verbs are also plural. So dogs and cats are both available at the homes. So student, here is a eighth rule. Except for the pronoun few, many, several, both, all, some, that, always take the plural form. Here is example, few except the pronoun, so it takes with the plural verb. Always with it takes, these words takes always a plural verb, like that. Here few were, here is a plural verb, few were left alive after the flood. So here is the next rule, 9. Collective nouns like here, you know that about a collective noun, group or collection, something that like here, senate, class, crowd, etc. These are the collective nouns. Usually take a singular verb. Here is example. The here is a collective noun, so it takes always a singular verb. Here is a singular verb. The here is empty. Getting this? Let's see the next and last rule. Then here is the last rule. Titles of the book, movies, novels, etc. are treated as singular and takes a singular verbs. Here is example. The Bulbs. The Bulbs is a title, is a movie. It is a movie name, so it also takes a singular verb. It comes with a singular verb. Here is a rule. As you know that title of books, movies, novels, etc. are treated as a singular and takes a singular verb. So here is a movie's names. It takes with it singular verb. So the verb is a movie starring Tom Hanks. So I hope you all understand why this chapter subject verb agreement. So thank you.